Hello, hi, good evening.
Hi.
Yes, welcome to my class. Can you hear and see me clearly?
Yes, I can.
That's great. Is this Ray?
Yes,
Nice to meet you today, Ray. How are you doing today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Yeah, good to hear that. Yeah, I'm pretty good as well. Thanks for asking. Okay, I can see here it shows Grammar Beginner 1. Is that right?
Yes.
Alright, so today's lesson is number 1, and the title is We Have a Box of Chocolates. Please read the title.
Uh, to be able to talk about the number of things.
Okay, now let's move on to today's phrase. Please repeat after me twice, okay? Alright, let's start with the first one. Do you have any snacks for us?
Do you have any snacks for us?
Okay, one more time. Do you have any snacks for us?
Do you have any snacks for us?
Alright, very good. And the next one is I have a box of chocolates and many cookies.
I have a box of chocolates and many cookies.
Right, one more time. I have a box of chocolates and many cookies.
I have a box of chocolates and many cookies.
All right, very good. Now let's move on to new words or expressions. Please check the directions here.
Mm,
Okay, so let's start with the first word. Please listen to US pronunciation, okay?
okay.
All right, so listen and repeat after the audio. Let's start with the first one.
Grocery store.
Grocery store.
Okay, it means a store that sells food and household supplies. Please read the sentence.
How's the new grocery store?
Okay, very good. Let's move to the next. Here we go.
A lot of.
A lot of.
A lot of. It's a phrase. It's a phrase. It means a large number or amount of things, people, etc. Okay, please read the sentence.
They have a lot of things.
Very good. Okay, let's have the next.
Item.
I
Item. All right, it's a noun. It means an individual thing or a separate part or thing. Okay, please read a sample sentence.
There are many items at the store.
That's right. Okay, let's move to the next.
A bag of.
A bag of.
All right, a bag of. It's a phrase. It means one sack of something. Okay, please read again the sentence.
There is a bag of potatoes.
That's right. Let's have the next.
A bunch of.
A bunch of.
A bunch of. It's also a phrase. It means a number of things growing, fastened, or grouped together. Yeah, please read a sample sentence.
There is a bunch of bananas.
That's right. And the next.
A jar of.
A jar of.
A jar of means an amount of something that is equivalent to one jar. Okay, please read the sentence.
That's a jar of olives.
Olives.
Olive.
All right, let's have the next. Here we go.
A box of.
A box of.
A box of, it's an amount of something that is equivalent to one box. Okay, please read the sentence.
We have a box of chocolate.
That's right. And the last one, here we go.
Don't worry.
Don't worry.
All right, don't worry. It means it is used when you are trying to make someone feel less anxious. Please read the sentence.
Don't worry.
All right, very good. So we're done with new words or expressions. Is there any questions so far?
No.
Okay, so now let's move on to the short conversation. Please also check the directions here.
Okay.
All right, are you done?
Mm.
Okay, so we will do a role play here, but first let's listen to the audio, okay?
Okay.
All right, here we go.
Layla's family is getting ready for camping, and Layla is talking to her mother, Olivia.
Hey Mom, welcome home. How's the new grocery store?
It's great! They have a lot of items there.
Really? That's nice. What's in the box?
There are a bag of potatoes, a bunch of bananas, and some apples.
Whew, I'm hungry.
And that's a jar of olives for pizza.
Yay! Do you have any snacks for us?
Yeah, I have a box of chocolates and many cookies. Don't worry.
All right. Okay, so this time let's read the conversation together. So please repeat after me, okay?
Okay.
All right, so let's start. Let me read the situation first. Layla's family is getting ready for camping, and Layla is talking to her mother, Olivia. Okay, please read.
Layla's family is getting ready for camping, and Layla is talking to her mother, Olivia.
All right. Hey, Mom. Welcome home. How is the new grocery store?
Hey Mom, welcome home. How's the new grocery store?
It's great. They have a lot of items there.
It's great. They have a lot of items there.
Really? That's nice. What's in the box?
Really? That's nice. What's in the box?
There are a bag of potatoes, a bunch of bananas, and some apples.
There are a bag of potatoes, a bunch of bananas, and some apples.
Ooh, I'm hungry.
Ooh, I'm hungry.
And that's a jar of olives for pizza.
And that's a jar of olives for pizza.
Yay! Do you have any snacks for us?
Yay! Do you have any snacks for us?
Yeah, I have a box of chocolates and many cookies. Don't worry.
Yeah, I have a box of chocolates and many cookies. Don't worry.
Alright, very good. Now let's do the role play. So I'll be Layla, you'll be Olivia, okay?
Okay.
Alright, let's start. Hey, Mom, welcome home. How's the new grocery store?
It's great. They have a lot of items there.
Really? That's nice. What's in the box?
There are a bag of potatoes, a bunch of bananas, and some apples.
Ooh, I'm hungry.
And that's a jar of olives for pizza.
Yay! Do you have any snacks for us?
Yeah, I have a box of chocolates and many cookies. Don't worry.
Okay, very good. Now let's switch the roles. So this time you'll be Layla, I'll be Olivia, okay?
Okay.
Please start.
Hey Mom, welcome home. How's the new grocery store?
It's great. They have a lot of items there.
Really? That's nice. What's in the box?
There are a bag of potatoes, a bunch of bananas, and some apples.
Ooh, I'm hungry.
And that's a jar of olives for pizza.
Yeah, do you have any snacks for us?
Yeah, I have a box of chocolates and many cookies. Don't worry. Okay, very good. That's nice. Okay, good job. All right, so do you have any questions with regards to the role play or the conversation?
No,
No question. Okay, so everything's clear. Now let's move on to the question part. So please check the directions.
Okay.
Okay, so please answer my questions. We have three questions here about the story. Number one, does a new grocery store have many items?
Yes, it does.
Yes, it does. Very good. Okay, and number two question. What are the olives for?
Uh, uh, Olives are for a pizza.
For pizza. Very good. That's right. And the last question. So, what kind of snacks do they have?
Mm, they have a box of chocolates and many cookies.
Yes, that's right. A box of chocolates and many cookies. That's perfect. Very good. All right. Now let's move on to the exercise part. Would you please check the directions here?
Mm, yeah.
Okay, so you are going to fill in the blanks, okay, with the correct words or phrase. So you will choose the right phrase inside the box, okay?
Okay.
All right, so let's start with the first picture. So, what does he have?
She has she has a bunch of grapes.
Yes, very good. A bunch of grapes. That's correct. Let's move to the next picture. What's on the table?
There is a jar of olives.
A jar of olives. Very good. Next, look at the next picture. What do they have?
Mhm. They have a lot of lemons.
Yes, a lot of lemons. Next, what do you have?
Mm, I I have a box of onions.
I have a box of onion is correct. That's right. And then next, what does she have?
Mm, she has a bag of potatoes.
A bag of potatoes is correct. And the last one, what does he have?
She has a bunch of flowers.
That's great. A bunch of flowers. Okay, that's perfect, Ray. Very good. All right, we have another exercise. Would you please check the directions here?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you done with the directions?
Yes.
Okay, so just look at the nouns, okay, in this sentence and try to correct the form. Is it a plural or singular nouns? All right, let's have the first one. I am hungry. Do you have any food for me?
I have some sandwiches for you.
Yes, the answer is sandwiches. Very good. Should be plural. Next, are they any animals in the forest?
Mm, yes, there are some wolves in the forest.
Okay, wolves is the correct answer. Next, what do they have in the kitchen?
They have some knives in the kitchen.
Knives is correct. That is the plural form of knife. Okay, that's great again. So that's perfect again. Now let's have free conversation. Please check the directions.